Dear students, finally we have come to the last session of this course. Section 6 is on introducing citizenship education into the school curriculum. We have two objectives for this session. Objective 1 says you should be able to identify at least two approaches to introducing citizenship education into the school curriculum. 2, explain at least two approaches to introducing citizenship education into the school curriculum. There are approaches, basically three approaches we can adopt when you want to introduce citizenship into the school curriculum or into our lessons. The first approach has to do with teaching the subject as a separate one at any level of education in Ghana for that matter. For example, we teach citizenship education starting from the upper primary 4 to 6. Citizenship education is taught at this level as a separate subject. The second approach has to do with the fact that citizenship is integrated. In this case, social studies. Social studies makes use of citizenship education as one of its content. So we integrate citizenship education in social studies. In fact, we have learned that the main purpose of social studies is citizenship education. Another way we can introduce social studies into the school curriculum is through what we do on a daily basis as far as the school tradition is concerned. For instance, we do raise flags, we do recite national anthem and the pledge during school assemblies. And again, we also celebrate some events to commemorate the past happenings. For instance, early this month, we observe Independence Day, or what we call the 6th March. Students, security services, or agencies, civil society organizations, and other groups were actively engaged on that day. Is part of citizenship drive. Then there are other events that we commemorate. For instance, Republic Day and the Founders Day. During these events, we take stock of the past, those who have contributed their quota to the development of our country. We remember them. It serves as motivation for the young ones to, as it were, also contribute their knowledge, skills to the development of their country. So basically, these are the three main ways we can introduce citizenship education into the school curriculum. Can you identify any other event as part of the school's daily practices or traditions that can be termed as contributing to the citizenship drive of learners? Having looked at the ways we can introduce such as citizenship education into the school curriculum, let's take the following points by way of summary. We have learned that citizenship education can be introduced into the school curriculum through teaching citizenship as an independent discipline or subject, then also through an integrated approach, as well as flag raising and recitation of national pledge and the anthem. I hope you have mastered the issues that we have raised in this session. Can we take one assessment question to see if you have actually mastered the session? Identify and explain at least two approaches to introducing citizenship education into the school curriculum. I hope this is not too difficult for you. Share your response with your colleagues. Thank you for having come this far. Kudos.